Okay, so I haven't made a video in quite a while, but anyway, life changes things. You know, not working on cars anymore. I retired from that, got too physically hard, and a lot of other stuff happening. Uh, Decided very quickly after that that wasn't going to work. Got bored, wanted extra money, so I went to work for a major auto supply place. And anyway, that's not what this video is about. Black truck. Got painted. The tailgate still needs to be done because I've been just trying to decide whether to replace it or repair it or what, so I didn't have him paint it when he painted the rest of it. It's not a perfect job by any stretch of means, but it was, you know, pretty good job. New hood, because the other one actually, there was rust underneath what was left of the old paint. And he had a hood, so he put a hood on it. That's a new grill. The other one was broken down here. Fixed the dent in the fender that was there. Got it painted. Still don't have this finished. He did a pretty good job, you know. I actually got hit in the parking lot at work by some woman who took off, and it busted this fender all to hell. So that's the reason why it went in the body shop. While I was in the body shop, I just decided to get the rest of it done, except for the tailgate. I'm still trying to decide what to do about that. You know, this fender over here was cracked, and he fixed it. You can see it's a little wavy right there. Got some new mud flaps on it. Still runs good. Still have the old green truck. Travel trailer for the, since I got that. You know, this old thing, 210,000 miles on it now. I use it for work and whatnot, so that, you know, I don't have to drive the big truck so much. Just got some new tires put on this one a couple weeks ago. Goodyear Wrangler Authorities. They're pretty good. I like them. They're loud on the highway, but they do good in this sandy ass soil that we have here. I don't think they're going to last very long though. Cat. I got a mess out here I need to clean up. I've been working 50, 60 hours a week. Chinese knockoff aftermarket wear. Yep, so travel trailer is a 27-foot wilderness. It's covered up because I've got a hole in the roof that I've got to fix. And like a lot of other things, I hadn't got around to that yet either. So there you go. That one's got 166,000 on it now. That one's got 210,000. So there's that.